Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Playland Family. 1. What is the mode of transmission of filariasis? A. Mosquito bite. B. Contaminated water. C. Contaminated food. D. Direct contact. Answer: A. Mosquito bite. Explanation: Filariasis is transmitted by mosquitoes, particularly the Culex species, which transfer the filarial worms when they bite. 2. Which of the following diseases is not caused by a virus? A. Rabies. B. AIDS. C. Typhoid. D. Hepatitis. Answer: C. Typhoid. Explanation: Typhoid is caused by the bacterium Salmonella typhi, while rabies, AIDS, and hepatitis are viral diseases. 3. Which cells of the immune system are responsible for producing antibodies? A. Macrophages. B. T lymphocytes. C. B lymphocytes. D. Neutrophils. Answer: C. B lymphocytes. Explanation: B lymphocytes are responsible for producing antibodies, which neutralize or destroy pathogens. 4. Which of the following is not an autoimmune disease? A. Rheumatoid arthritis. B. Lupus. C. Diabetes mellitus type 1. D. Malaria. Answer: D. Malaria. Explanation: Malaria is caused by the protozoan Plasmodium and is not an autoimmune disease. Autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis and lupus occur when the body's immune system attacks its own cells. 5. Which of the following is an example of an allergic reaction? A. Asthma. B. Tuberculosis. C. Diabetes. D. Cholera. Answer: A. Asthma. Explanation: Asthma is a chronic allergic reaction caused by environmental triggers like dust, pollen, and smoke, leading to inflammation of the airways. 6. Which disease is caused by Salmonella typhi? A. Cholera. B. Typhoid. C. Plague. D. Tuberculosis. Answer: B. Typhoid. Explanation: Typhoid is caused by the bacterium Salmonella typhi, which is transmitted through contaminated food and water. 7. Which of the following drugs is commonly used to treat malaria? A. Quinine. B. Paracetamol. C. Penicillin. D. Aspirin. Answer: A. Quinine. Explanation: Quinine and its derivatives, such as chloroquine, are used to treat malaria, a disease caused by the Plasmodium parasite. 8. Which type of immunity is provided by antibodies transferred from the mother to the baby through breast milk? A. Artificial passive immunity. B. Natural passive immunity. C. Artificial active immunity. D. Natural active immunity. Answer: B. Natural passive immunity. Explanation: Antibodies passed from the mother to the baby through breast milk confer natural passive immunity, providing protection to the infant for a limited time. 9. The incubation period of malaria is approximately A. 1 to 2 days. B. 10 to 15 days. C. 7 to 30 days. D. 1 to 2 weeks. Answer: C. 7 to 30 days. Explanation: The incubation period for malaria varies depending on the species of Plasmodium and ranges from 7 to 30 days. 10. The vector responsible for transmitting the plague is A. Housefly. B. Flea. C. Mosquito. D. Tick. Answer: B. Flea. Explanation: Plague is transmitted by fleas that carry the Yersinia pestis bacterium, often from infected rodents to humans. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.